Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm explaining how to print this pattern. See, whenever you are printing the pattern, just like our previous videos, every time you need to look at that rows because each row we are printing. But each row starting with the same value or different value is a different value. So collect this into one variable I. Next, look at this. Each row ending with the same value or different value is a same value, constant, that is 1. So whenever you are printing each row using that inner loop, each row starting with a different value, that is I, each row ending with the same value. In each row values are decreasing. J greater than or equals to 1, j minus minus, look at this, decreasing 5 to 1, that is I to 1, 4 to 1, that is I to 1, 3 to 1, that is I to 1. So what is I? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here in outer loop, I value 5 greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus. Inside system.out.print j we are printing, and here system.out.println. You know the skeleton of printing this one. So by using this, you can easily print this pattern. Hope you understood. Please follow us. Thank you.